Guys, we're dividing polynomials. So we have a polynomial divided by another polynomial, okay? So what's really happening here? So in this case here, we have 7x to the third minus 10x minus 7x to the second power plus 2x to the fourth plus 8 divided by 2x to the second power plus x minus 2. So basically what's happening here is that you have to rearrange the problem first, the polynomial, in descending order, meaning the highest power first, and then you go gradually down, okay? So that means this one got to come first, and then everybody else after that. So that means we have 2x power 4, right, plus 7x power 3 minus 7 x power to second power, x to the second power minus 10x plus 8 that you are dividing by, so you're dividing it by 2x to the second power plus x minus 2, all right? So very quickly, this is what we have. This is what we're dealing with. Now, so as usual, this is the dividend, this is the divisor, so you take the first term of the dividend divided by the divisor, the first term of the divisor, okay? So that means what? So that means you have 2x to the fourth that you are dividing by 2x to the second. What would that give us? So 2 cross out. X to the fourth divided by x to the second is going to give us x to the second because we're doing 4 minus 2, right? So that is x to the second power. And where does it go to? The x to the second power goes right over here. All right? So now we take it and we multiply the whole divisor and the answer goes underneath here. So x to the second power times 2x to the second power, that will give us what? 2x to the fourth power, okay? And then x to the second power times x is going to give us what? X to the third power. And then x2 times negative 2 is going to give us what? Negative 2x to the second power. Then once we have that, we have to subtract it, okay? And then that means the sign here changed to negative, this one negative, this one positive, all right? So this one, 2x to the fourth minus 2x to the fourth, first one will give us 0. 7x to the third minus x to the third will give us what? Because 7 minus 1, that gives us what? 6x to the third. And then negative 7x to the second plus 2x to the second, so that will give us what? Negative 5x to the second power. All right? And then we just bring down whatever we have not used, so 10x and then plus 8. Okay? And then again, the same thing that we did before, take the first term here, divided by the first term here. So that will give us what? 6x to the third divided by 2x to the second. And 6 divided by 2 is going to give us 3. And then x3 divided by x2 is going to give us x because you're subtracting the powers. 3 minus 2 is 1. So it's just 1 there. So it's 3x. Where does it go? You're going to add it to this one because it's a positive 3x. So we take that now and multiply the whole divisor. So that will give us what? 3x times 2x is going to give us what? 6x to the third. So 6x to the third. And then 3x times x is going to give us what? Plus 3x to the second power. And then 3x times negative 2 is going to give us what? Negative 6x, right? And then also we subtract as usual. Everybody good so far? You guys following? Don't fall asleep on me now. Okay? So then this one is negative, this one is negative, this one is positive. All right? So 6x to the third minus 6x to the third, that will give us what? 0. Negative 5x to the second, and then negative 3 to the x to the second, that will give us what? Negative 8x to the second. Negative 10x plus 6x is going to give us what? Negative 4x. And then you bring down the positive 8. We good so far? And then the same thing is, taking the first term here, this is negative 8. X to the second divided by the first term here, positive 2x to the second. All right? So as you guys can see, at the bottom is always the first term of the divisor. So this one will give us what? Negative 4 only because x second divided by x second is out. So only -4 comes here. And then the same thing that we did before, we take the -4, multiply the whole divisor. And then the answer comes down here. So -4 times 2x is going to give us what? Negative 8x squared. -4 times x is going to give us what? Negative 4x. -4 times -2 is going to give us what? Positive 8. Okay? And then don't forget that we got to subtract it. So to subtract it, this one becomes a positive, this one becomes a positive, this one becomes a negative because of the subtraction sign. Okay? So what's going to happen then? -8 squared plus 8 squared is going to give us 0. -4x plus 4x is going to give us 0. 8 minus 8 is also going to give us 0. And then, ladies and gentlemen, voila. We are finished. This is our final answer. You see, so you work methodically, one at a time, step by step. Take your time, understand before you move forward. Because a lot of times we are so quick, we just want everything very quick. No, take your time, learn first, and then you can build upon it. All right? And also, guys, do not forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can continue to grow our channel. All right? Thank you very much.